television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating. 9 p.m. for the following marine location.
I lost it. It's harder to get KC38 here. Alright, let's see if I can get this.
Swanee River, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Tarpon Springs to Swanee River, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles.
Cannot get a KC pretty well, fortunately, but
nautical miles south of East Tower, moving east 6 knots. Water spouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: water spouts can quickly form damaged vessels. Higher waves. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Cedar Key, move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
barely got it.
Your coastal waters forecast.
Yeah, look at that polygon. Come on.
Until 2:30 p.m. At 1:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing water spouts were located along the line of
this one off
58 nautical miles south of South Tower to 67 nautical miles west of Antelope Creek and 95 nautical miles southwest of Egmont Key, moving east at 35.
I forgot that I was still on channel 1.
Hazard, water spouts, and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, water spouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Severe thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Your coastal waters forecast for the WWG-59 listening area for the following marine locations. Coastal waters from Bonita Beach to Englewood out 20 to 60 nautical miles. Issued at 9:41 a.m. Small craft advisory in effect from 7 p.m. this evening through Monday afternoon. This afternoon, southwind 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots.
Alright, they just expanded this tornado watch.
Commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 720 remains in effect until 5 p.m. and now includes the following county: Pasco, Florida.
Oh, yeah, at the end of it.
Tornado Watch number 720 remains in effect until 5 p.m. for the following county: Pasco, Florida. Remember, a tornado watch means today. Weather may not be imminent. Persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later to 6 feet.
Alright. New marine warning.
Springs, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Tarpon Springs to Swanee River, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Tampa Bay waters. Waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Tarpon Springs to Swanee River, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles until 4 p.m. At 2:23 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 16 nautical miles southwest of Swanee River to 48 nautical miles southwest of Cedar Key to 30 nautical miles west of Anclote Key to 47 nautical miles west of Egmont Key, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Waterspouts can become tornadoes if they move.
There's that wording.
Keep abreast of the situation. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Teresita Bay, D5 Reef, Manatee Nearshore Reef, Howard Franklin Bridge, Madeira Beach Reef, Longboat Key, Venice Inlet, Cockroach Bay, MD1 Reef, M7 Reef, Anna Maria Island, Hernando Beach, M8 Reef, M17 Reef, Pascagoula Channel, Southwest Channel, D6 Reef, M1 Reef, Tampa Bay, and Owensboro Bay. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. for northern and west central Florida and adjacent coastal waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts.
That's 2 minutes.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a special marine warning for waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Tarpon Springs to Swanee River, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles until 2:30 p.m. At 1:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts.
Oh, yeah. All right. Why didn't this go off?
The service in Ruskin has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Bonita Beach to Englewood, Florida, out 20 nautical miles.
What's your issue?
Coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Tampa Bay waters. Waters from Bonita Beach to Englewood, Florida, out from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles until 4:45 nautical miles until 4:57 p.m. Severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Indian Rocks Beach to 26 from near Indian Rocks Beach to 26 nautical miles southwest of Longboat Pass, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, increase suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. In excess of 34 knots, suddenly high winds of 34 knots, suddenly downpours, frequent lightning. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Teresita Bay, D5 Reef, Manatee Nearshore Reef, Englewood, Manatee Nearshore Reef, Englewood, Howard Franklin Bridge, Madeira Beach Reef, Longboat Key, MD1 Reef, M7 Reef, MD Maria Island, M7 Reef, M17 Reef, Pascagoula Channel, Southwest Channel, D6 Channel, Southwest Channel, Tampa Bay, Owensboro Reef, Tampa Bay. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Easily overturn boats. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous immediately. Seek safe harbor immediately. These are the 3 p.m. Your coastal waters forecast for the WWG-59 listening area. For the following marine location, coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs out 20 nautical miles. Issued at 2:50 p.m. Small craft advisory in effect through Monday afternoon. Tonight, southwest winds around 15 knots.